Hello, good evening students. Today we are going to start with the uses of group 18 elements. Uses of group 18 elements. First we are going to discuss with helium. Because of its lightness and non-inflammability, helium is used in hot air balloons and is used to observe the meteorological observation. What do you mean? What do you mean by meteorological observation? To observe the weather condition of particular area, we can use that meteorological balloons and that will observe the condition of the particular area. So that is the first use of helium. Helium is, because of its lightness, it can easily float in the air. That is one. And its non-inflammability. It is not flammable. So it is used as used in hot air balloons and also in meteorological observation. Second point, mixture of helium oxygen. This helium oxygen mixture is used by deep sea divers to avoid bend. With this we have learned in the second lesson, solution lesson. Bend is caused by the nitrogen mixture added to the blood veins because the pressure in the bottom of the sea is high and the pressure at the top of the sea is low. When the deep sea divers moving from bottom to top, the pressure variation takes place. Due to the pressure variation, nitrogen highly dissolved in the blood and causes bend. To avoid this, we can use helium instead of nitrogen gas. Helium is less soluble at high pressure, so that we can easily avoid the bend. This is one use of helium. Helium boiling point of helium is 4.2 Kelvin. Because of this special nature, it is used as a cryogenic agent. What is cryogenic agent? Cryogenic agent means coolant. Cryogenic agent in many various experiments carried out at low temperature. It is a coolant for many chemical reactions. For example, nuclear reactor means they need coolant, moderator, etc. Like that, many chemical reactions need coolant. Helium is used as a coolant because its boiling point is very low, 4.2 Kelvin. Next step, helium is used to produce and sustain powerful superconducting magnet, which is essential part of nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR) spectrometer, and is used in magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) scanning in the clinical diagnosis. These are the four important uses of helium. It is used for meteorological observation. It is used by deep sea divers to avoid bend. It is used by the scientists as a coolant in many experiments. And it is used for producing powerful superconducting magnets. Is an essential part of the nuclear magnetic resonance spectrometer and the magnetic resonance imaging in the diagnosis clinical therapy. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about a neon. Hello students, today we are going to talk about the uses of neon. Neon lamp are used in greenhouses because it is used very effective in the growth of chlorophyll. Whenever we are going to see the botanical garden, neon light is present in the garden, which is essential for the growth of chlorophyll. Neon lamp is visible in fog and mist time, so it is used as a material for, it is used as light in the signals in the night time, so it is visible. The thing is, neon lamp is visible even in the fog and mist condition. Therefore, it is used for making signals in night for pilots. Those who are traveling in the night time, the signal is made up of neon light. Okay, next, neon is used in discharge tube for making decorative and advertising panel. Whenever you are going to highest the many nightclub, all those things we are seeing the decorating modern advertising panels that are all made up of neon materials. Now I am going to tell about the uses of argon. Argon is used to make inert atmosphere for welding purposes. What do you mean by inert atmosphere? Inert atmosphere means whenever argon gas is sprayed to particular discharge tube, means any moisture or any other gas present, means that is absorbed by argon. That is the use of argon. Argon is used to make inert atmosphere for welding purposes. Second point, argon plus helium. Argon plus helium is used for making inert atmosphere. Argon plus helium is used for making signal electrical device. Signal electrical device. What do you mean by signal electrical device? We already know signals. In our day-to-day life, we are seeing many signal electrical device. That is lift. In lift we are using the signals, and in the roadside we are using the signals, and in railway traveling also we are using the signals. Whatever it is, it is very important. Third one is argon plus neon mixture is used for filling the fluorescent tubes. Fluorescent tubes. Decorative, it will be lustring. It is lustrous. The fluorescent tube is highly lustrous. So argon plus neon mixture used for filling the lustrous tubes. Next one is xenon and krypton are of no significant use. Radon is another material. It is radioactive. Radon is used as radiotherapy in cancer. These rays are passed through the tumors and it will cut the tumor, finally recover from the problem. This is called drug delivery system. And this is the use of radon. Next one is radon is used to check the problems, that is imperfections in the steel. Steel containing any imperfection or any impurities present means that was checked by radon rays. When you are passing the radon rays, it will check the stability and stability of the steel sheets. So according to this 18th group, we have explained the uses of helium, neon, argon and radon. Krypton, xenon are of no important uses. In the case of helium, we are using meteorologic balloons, helium oxygen mixture used by deep sea divers for their respiration, and helium used as a cryogenic agent in many experiments. Helium used for making powerful superconducting magnets in NMR spectrometer and MRI scanning, etc. Then argon is used, neon is used for the growth of chlorophyll. Neon light is used, very important for the growth of chlorophyll. So botanical garden are used by the neon light. Neon light is used for decorative and advertising purposes. Neon light is used in the signals. In the night time, it will be used because neon light is visible even in the fog and mist condition. Next, argon. Argon is used for making inert atmosphere by observing the moisture and other things. Argon and helium mixture. Argon helium mixture used for making a signal electrical device. And argon plus neon mixture used for filling fluorescent tube. Radon is a radioactive element. Radon is used for radiotherapy in cancer. What is radiotherapy? The rays are passed to the affected area and it will this rays kill the tumors and finally cut and take the tumors out of the body. This is called as radiotherapy. Next one is it is used for check the impurities in the steel. Thank you students. God bless you.